Hello everyone, welcome to the crash course by me Anuj Jindal. Today we are going to talk about Chit Funds Amendment Act. I have already discussed the Chit Fund Amendment Act before in PIV analysis that we used to carry out, but I am discussing it yet again in this crash course. So let's directly jump into the Amendment Act or the Amendment Bill 2018. The bill seeks to amend Chit Funds Act 1982. This is something that is important that can be asked in the examination. The 1982 Act regulates chit funds and prohibits a fund from being created without the prior sanction of the state government. So, chit funds as well as nithis are regulated jointly by the state governments as well as RBI in some cases, depending upon the type of chit fund that is being run. The bill seeks to use the words fraternity fund under the 1982 Act for a chit business. This bill seeks to distinguish it from prize funds, which are banned under a separate law. So, prize chits, not prize funds, prize chits are banned, and now it uses another term, that is fraternity fund. The Act specifies that a chit will be drawn in the presence of at least two subscribers, another important provision. The bill seeks to allow these subscribers to join via video conferencing. Under the Act, the foreman is responsible for conducting the chit, and the commission of this foreman has been increased from 5% to 7% now. Now, one important thing, what is the purpose or how do these chit funds actually work? So, what happens in a chit fund is there are, let's say, it's an example of 20 members who are contributing rupees 1000 per month, and 5% are the charges. Now, the maximum charges that can be taken by the foreman is 7%. So, these 20 people have contributed 1000 each, then we have 20,000 rupees, and one member out of these 20 members is going to bid for these 20,000 rupees. So, what is going to happen is this one member says that I need money immediately. Okay, I have some requirement, I need money. Instead of taking this 20,000, he's going to bid for whatever he is going to borrow. So, let's say the bid is the amount is 20,000, that is there in the chit fund of these 20 members. In their piggy bank they have 20,000. The bidders say that let's say there are two active bidders. One says I am borrowing 17,000 today, and after 2 months I will pay back 20,000. Another bidder says I will borrow 16,000 and I will pay 20,000 after 2 months. So instead of borrowing 20,000 and paying more, they are borrowing less and paying 20,000. So in effective way, they are actually paying interest on the borrowings that they are making. So he borrows 16,000 and rupees 200 goes back to each member, whatever is left. 200 into 20 is 2,000. 4,000, sorry, 4,000 goes back to every person. Now there are organizer charges also, which are going to be reduced from the pocket of the person who is borrowing. So organizer charges of 1,000, that is 5% of 20,000. 1,000 has been reduced. So final amount that the borrower will get is 15,000, and after a certain period of time he has to pay back 20,000. Highly risky, liquidity too. They are highly risky, they are liquid, and there are no guaranteed returns. These are the disadvantages of chit funds. If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also provide feedback by writing in the comment section below. You can also join my YouTube community, wherein I am going to provide regular daily quizzes, provide notifications regarding videos that are going to be posted by me on a regular basis. You can also join my Facebook and Telegram groups as well as channels, the links to which are available in the description section below. I provide regular quizzes, PDFs as well as notifications there as well. You can also join or download the mobile application that I have, which is named as Infinity. It is available on Google Play Store. You can download it in order to get access to all the previous PDFs as well as tests that I have created till date.